welcome. You are now looking at the website zoom.us, also known as zoom.com. Zoom.com is made for online meetings where you can share your screen and your camera as well as message in real time. And most notably, it can also be used as a webinar system. Individuals can join your online meeting if they have connecting through their personal computer or their mobile device. And from a mobile device, Zoom does allow both starting as well as joining online meetings and webinars. So in this course, we will look at the process of setting up and starting your online meetings and webinars. We'll look at the Zoom meeting software in both its basic and advanced forms. We'll also look at integrations with third-party applications. We'll look at those primarily used through the native application. In particular, we'll look at both scheduling and storage options. So we'll start the process with a discussion of plans and pricing and those most likely to be used by both entrepreneurs and information creators. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.